Yeah, yeah.
Hello everyone, my name is Vickynicolee and welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a little kind of experiment. So instead of starting off brand new, clean slate, I decided to make one of my videos. In order to do multiple videos in one day, I decided to just add on the next video. So today we will be doing Templar. She is a character in Dota 2. It's a video game. If you have not, or you aren't really into video games, it is a video game character. You can look her up. I'll leave some pictures around here. So obviously I think she has like pink or purple hair. She has some funky ass costume, and even though I would love to be dressing up all the time, but it's a lot of money sometimes, so I thought, hey, you can still do with what you got. And I wanted to kind of add on this little like challenge, you know, because sometimes you're already wearing makeup and you don't want to take the entire thing off, but you want to spruce things up a little bit, you know, change it up, make it from colorful to dark, or, you know, any so often in between. So I decided this is a look I did for Wreck-It Ralph. I don't know if it's before or after, but you get the gist. It's around this general time frame. What I'm going to do is, because Templar has this dark look, and then there's the pink glitter that, of course, I had to do in some glitter tears because she has some like pink thing going, and the glitter tears is just beautiful, and I had to add it in. I had to. So I took this, I don't even know what brush this is, and I took the Juvia's Place palette in Nubian 2, and this color in Leyla, which is this purple, blackish purplish, and it has a little bit of like a pink reflex in it. Taking that color real quick, and I am packing it on to the lid. Be very careful because when you touch it, there will be fallout coming out. So, and I will be starting from the outer in. I don't know if you can tell because my lashes are humongous. Then even if you want to, you could spray a little bit of Fix Plus on there to darken up that color. Okay, and now I'm going to be taking this Morphe M411 brush and jabbing it into the same palette, Nubian 2, in Jezebel, which is like this purple shade, and I'm going to pack it on right between the two colors so it kind of blends. Okay, so that's that dark on the eyes, and I am taking the NYX glitter glue, and this is a little Real Techniques detailer brush. I'm just using this to apply it, and I'm using the NYX glitter vibrance in the shade red, which is also GLI09. It's actually pink, so I don't know why it's called Red Rogue, but it is pink. Templar has like this little pink thing coming down, so that is what we are applying, but instead of glitter glue. So it's kind of just like an upside down triangle. So kind of dab it around here. Okay, now I'm gonna take this, it's an Anastasia brush that I have, and apply the glitter. Okay, now that we have the glitter tears going on, now I'm gonna add in this little thing we got. Okay, so it looks like to be a little triangle. Oh, for that I used the NYX Vibrant Brights in Vivid Fire. So this is the end result. I hope you guys enjoy. Like if you haven't already, comment down below what your thoughts are. And subscribe to my channel. Join our little kingdom. I love you guys. Bye.